Marrakesh may be described in two words: unusual and exciting. This is the finest description given by tourists to this Moroccan city. You can begin your adventure once you found a beautiful hotel to stay in. This is our pick of the top 5 hotels in Marrakesh. Our choice number 5. Dar Rhizlane Palais Table, Dotes and Spa. This hotel is situated in Le Vernage, Marrakesh, and is surrounded by a beautiful garden with an outdoor pool. It is 2 kilometers from Jamaâ El Fna Square. Hotel overlooks Menara Gardens, while Bahia Palace is 3 kilometers away. Each air-conditioned accommodation has Moroccan decor and a terrace with garden views. They have free Wi-Fi, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, and a private bathroom. Moroccan and foreign cuisine is prepared in the restaurants and served in the traditional dining area or on the patio by the pool. Guests are invited to attend workshops on how to prepare traditional local dishes. And here are some guest comments. The place was clean and welcoming, the staff very helpful. A very special hotel designed to a very high standard. The hotel staff goes out of their way to help and serve the customers. Breakfast like in the movies. Beautifully designed and decorated small boutique hotel. It exceeded our expectations. Excellent restaurant too. And what they didn't like? Breakfast could have been better. Toilet with sliding door in the room. What are your opinions on the first hotel on the list? In the video description, there are links to more information and prices. We'll continue on to the next hotel on the list. Number 4 on our list. Hotel and Riad's Bahia Palace. This hotel is centrally positioned in Marrakesh near Medina. Hotel is 1.8 kilometers away from Bahia Palace and Bahia Palace is 2 kilometers away. Jamaâ El Fna is 1 kilometer away. Hotel has a peaceful setting and luxurious amenities. The suites are large and comfortable with modern conveniences and en-suite bathrooms. Bathrobes, DVD players and a balcony are among the extras. The hotel restaurants serve high-quality regional cuisine prepared with fresh market ingredients. The hotel bar provides a relaxing environment in which to explore an original cocktail and wine list. Every morning, a large breakfast buffet is served. The spa offers a wide selection of calming treatments as well as 2 traditional Moroccan hammams and a fitness center. There is a children's club with activities and food. And here are some guest comments. Perfect, comfortable hotel in the center of Marrakesh. Excellent staff and facilities, wonderful hotel. Fantastic location, wonderful staff, great bedroom, comfortable bed, lovely swimming pool. And what they didn't like? The gym could have been better equipped. Recommendation number 3. La Maison Arabe Hotel, Spa and Cooking Workshops. This magnificent riad is located in Marrakesh's Medina, a 15-minute walk from Jamaâ El Fna Square. Kutobia is 1.2 kilometers away, while Bahia Palace is 2 kilometers away. There is a heated pool in the garden as well as a spa with 2 traditional hammams and 5 massage rooms. Every air-conditioned room and suite comes with complimentary Wi-Fi and a lounge area with a fireplace. Each room and suite has its own private terrace. Some rooms have views of the grounds while others have a jacuzzi bath. The restaurant Le Terrace serves French, Moroccan and Asian food. Meals are served in the dining room or on the terrace with views of the pool and grounds. And here are some guest comments. The staff and service was excellent and very attentive. Location for city activities is perfect and all staff helpful and extremely pleasant. Restaurant and food, exceptional service and quality. We'll visit again. This property is amazing. The staff and management treat you like royalty and go above and beyond to make you feel at home. And what they didn't like? The breakfast could have more options. Our choice number 2. Tigmiza Boutique Hotel and Spa. This 5-star hotel with views of the Atlas Mountains is 15 minutes drive from Marrakech's Medina, as well as popular attractions located nearby Jamaâ El Fna, Bahia Palace and Kutobia. Hotel is set in a garden with a pool and features a spa, balcony and restaurant. Each suite is uniquely furnished and features a private bathroom, a couch, and a view of the surrounding area. Guests were greeted as VIPs with sea and Moroccan pastries. A continental breakfast is served in the guest room or on the patio, and the restaurant serves Moroccan and French cuisine for other meals. There are 4 bars, including one beside the pool, and the Moroccan lounge serves tea and coffee at midday. You can choose a body treatment at the spa or utilize the fitness room for free. And here are some guest comments. Staff were excellent, rooms comfortable, and bar restaurants good. The hotel is beautiful, the staff is amazing. Very helpful and friendly staff, great rooms. The property was well decorated and garden was beautiful. Food is lovely. And what they didn't like? Wi-Fi is not very strong in certain areas. Gym could have been better. Recommendation number 1. Salman, Marrakesh. This 5-star hotel is a 10-minute drive from Marrakech's center, where you can find the most popular attractions nearby: Bahia Palace, Kutobia, Jamaâ El Fna and Bahia Palace. Hotel has 3 outdoor swimming pools and a spa with beauty treatments. This hotel's spacious accommodations include a big patio with views of the swimming pools. Each one is decorated in an Arab Andalusian design and has a separate bathroom with a hot tub and shower. This hotel also has 2 bars and 3 restaurants. Start the day with a continental breakfast at Salmon Restaurant, then move on to Mediterranean cuisine for lunch and international specialties for evening. A kids club is one of the additional activities available at this hotel. And here are some guest comments. The facilities of the hotel, the service, and the friendly staff. Love this gorgeous hotel, great service and staff. Everything is just perfect. There are links to each option in the video description, as well as pricing and other information. We appreciate you watching the video and hope to see you again soon.